Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chastity. You can call me Jean Stoner. Make sure you like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe if this is your first time watching. And if this isn't your first time watching and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, you need to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. It's been like negative 50s and then negative 20s in Wisconsin lately, and I've really been wanting it to be hot outside, so I decided to do like a little summer sunset look on my eyes because I really miss the summertime. I'm sniffling because I'm starting to get sick now because it's so cold outside. But yeah, this is just a look that I did, a quick look. Anybody can do this look. It's really beginner friendly. Anyway it goes, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you follow me on all my social networks. All details will be in the description box below. So I will see you guys at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. This is the final look. Follow me on all my social networks. I